Imagine waking up to sales notifications, digital products selling on autopilot, bringing in thousands every month. Sound like a dream? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make that reality. Hey, this is Colin. I help beginners who are struggling financially to start and grow an online business using digital marketing, selling digital products. So if you're looking for a way to start making money online, selling low-ticket digital products, you're in the right place because we're going to talk exactly about that. These are high value, affordable products that can sell in high volume, meaning consistent income without having to rely on making a large, big, high ticket sale. I remember when I first started with digital marketing, trying to sell higher ticket digital courses using social media. It was actually kind of depressing. I wasn't making any sales. It then ended up becoming like this vicious cycle of trying to sell these marketing courses that, teach marketing, but yet I'm not able to do the marketing and make the sales and, with those marketing courses. So it's like, well, I'm trying to sell something, but I'm not able to sell something that teaches people how to sell, how to do the marketing. You know what I mean? It was kind of like this vicious cycle, But that's when the Lord led me to create my own course, create my own digital marketing products, or my own digital products, that is. And that had to do with my own niche, my own skills, my own passion that I already was passionate about. It then changed my mindset. It gave me the belief in what I was in being able to market, being able to sell these products, simply because I was talking about my passion. I built something around my passion and my skills, and I didn't have to wonder if it was actually something that was going to work in my own mind, because I already knew it worked. I already knew what the information I had was working, and it was able to make money, and it was making me money. And that's why I was able to do it. It was a complete game changer. I no longer had to convince myself whether it would work or not, right? And so, because I knew it was working for me already, and now all I was doing was packaging up my information, packaging up my passion and my skills, and then I was then providing it for other people as well so that they can benefit from that, right? And that's why I am now teaching people and showing people how, like yourself, how you can start to create simple digital products to monetize your skills and make a profit from your passion. So if you're someone that wants to turn your passions into profits, I want you to comment ready, and then I'm going to get you the details. I'm going to explain to you exactly how it all works. But right now, in this video today, I'm going to walk you through step by step how you can start creating some digital products right away that will eventually lead you to those 5-figure months. So if this is the content that you like, you want to keep learning this kind of stuff, make sure you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I'm going to put out more content on digital products. So let's dive in here right now. So first thing, let's discuss this. Why low-ticket digital products? Why low-ticket digital products? Well, first of all, because they work. Well, why do they work? Well, simply because they are scalable. Once digital products are created, then they're listed on your website, on your store. They can be sold 24/7, right? That's passive income as well. 24/7. You do not need to create the product every time somebody wants to buy that product. Unlike providing a service, when you provide and sell a digital product, you create that digital product one time, and then people can come to your store, to your website, and buy it anytime. Multiple people can buy that same digital product. Pretty cool, right? That's why digital products are great. They're scalable and as well, very profitable, okay? Because the profit margin is huge. Because what does it take? I mean, they're digital products. It doesn't take very much to create them. And you create it one time, you could sell it over and over and over again, right? Okay, so the next thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick the right product. What product do you want to pick? What type of a low-ticket digital product do you want to start off with when it comes to selling low-ticket digital products? Very important to consider this. Your digital product, your product should help somebody. It should solve a problem that somebody has. You need to be solving problems. You need to offer a solution for somebody's problem. So you got to think about that. What kind of a problem is somebody having that your perfect customer, your targeted customer, what's their problem that they're facing? What's their biggest problem that you can provide a solution for? And then what kind of products or what kind of digital products can you actually package up and sell as a solution for people's problems? Now, some of these digital products, they can include ebooks and guides. They can include courses. They can include trackers, planners, digital printable products such as that, checklists. One way to actually figure this out and find, specific problem or products that you can be creating and selling to people is look for what people are already currently looking for and buying, right? Now, where do you do this? How could you do this? Well, you can go to, for example, Google Trends, see what's trending. You can go to AnswerThePublic, find out what kind of questions people are asking. And then you can even go to some of these online stores such as Shopify, Etsy, Gumroad. You can go to some of these places and you can start searching on there and see what people are already searching for and buying, right? And then you can just go and create similar products. Pretty simple. Next, step number 3, what you want to do is you want to start creating your product now, right? Now that you got an idea of what you want to get, what you want to create, what you kind of digital product you are creating to solve someone's specific problem, well, let's start creating it, right? Well, how are we going to do that? Well, the first step in creating it, we're going to choose a tool, a platform, a service, something that we are going to use to start creating these digital products. Now, this can be, for example, Google Docs, the Google spreadsheets if you're creating trackers, or the Google Docs if you're creating, a Word document that you're going to convert into a PDF for an ebook or something. You can use Notion. Another great one that I like to use as well is called Canva. Canva, it's, you can use it as if it's phenomenal. It's a great suite, great platform to use. And you can upgrade to premium, but you could also start off just as a free member in Canva. And you got a lot of great features that you could use to create nice, pretty, beautiful, guides and ebooks and all sorts of digital products in there. And they got a lot of templates. They got a lot of examples that you can be looking at right in Canva. And when you're creating this product, you want to keep it pretty simple. All right. You don't want to get too, especially if it's just one of your first products that you are creating. Like I said, we are creating low ticket digital products here. We're not creating some huge comprehensive digital marketing course or anything like that, right? Down the road, maybe you're going to be able to create a huge comprehensive course, but you just want to start with some low ticket products here is all you're going to want to do. Okay. And so you can keep them simple because you don't want to spend a lot of time doing this. You want to pick something and start creating it that it's only going to take you, take a day, a few hours. At the most 2 days, one weekend type of thing, a Saturday and a Sunday or something to create these products. Keep them simple, but you want to make it high value. All right. Just because it's simple, just because you're not spending, weeks on end creating this product, it's still going to be very valuable. All right. I mean, a tracker, a planner, those type of things, it's very valuable for people, right? Depending what kind of a tracker or planner they are. For example, one of the ones that I did, within my niche that I'm talking about, when I first went and started creating my own course and my own products, was one of the products is a tracker, a portfolio tracker for investments, right? I created one of those and it tracks your portfolio. Well, people want that. People need that, right? Very valuable. So there's a good tip for you there as well, right? But, it depends on what you're into, what your passions are, right? So for me, it was that. It's a simple thing, right? But what made it even more simple was for me, it's something I already created and I use myself, right? So all I did was package it up. I'm just giving this as an example, right? And I packaged that up, put it up as a template. Very simple to do. So you got to use this idea and keep things simple, creating small ticket, low ticket digital products. And then step number 4, well, this is pricing. You want to price your product, right? How are you going to price your product? Well, for a small, low ticket product, between $7 and $47, that's pretty key. That's a pretty nice sweet spot for pricing low ticket products. Okay. All depending on what they are. Trackers, $7, $10, $14, along in those price range, right? You can package a whole bunch of them up and, and price it up for $27 if you want, right? So $27 to $47. Well, that could be, guides, ebooks, stuff like that. It's not necessarily the amount of pages, but it's the value that somebody's going to get from it that's going to really determine the price that you are going to price your product at. And then step number 5, well, we're going to start selling our products, right? So how are we going to start selling our products? Now that we have them created, we're going to want to start listing them on a store. Now, one of the things that you can do right away, especially if you're a beginner, is just to go to a platform right now that's already created and they already have a database. They've already got their customers. They've already got it all right there, such as Shopify, Etsy, Amazon, right? Gumroad. You go to these places, they've already got the audience. They've already got the crowd. If you've got a product that somebody's willing to search out and come and buy from your store, great, right? That's a great way to start off. You can start off just like that. So go to Etsy or go to one of these places, set up your storefront, start listing your products, and then you can start branching out and you can start creating your own store using System.io or, Beacons or Stand Store. Start using some of these stores where then you can start driving traffic yourself. And then number 6, I'm going to throw this one in here is as time goes on, as you're really going on through your business and you really want to start scaling your business to start creating higher income, well, you're going to want to start also building your email list, okay? Start building more and more out products. But as you build an email list and you start offering, one digital product for free, for example, a checklist or something like that, right? Well, then somebody can opt in. They're going to get on your list. You're going to send them a newsletter or something. You're going to continue to build a relationship with them. You're going to continue to build, keep in touch with people that way, right? And as you create more and more products, guess what? You're just going to let your list know of new products that you're creating, okay? And then sales are going to come from your own audience, from your list, right? And that's the gold, man. That's the golden right there is just being able to continue to update and market to your list, all right? That the gold mine, the money is in the list. That's the oldest saying in marketing is the money is in the list. Now you're nurturing your list, you're building relationships with them, and you are providing value to your list, all right? And people want to continue to buy more products from you instead of going and searching for other people to buy products from if you're providing good value to people that are purchasing your products, of course. That's why I say you got to create products with value, with huge value, great value that's really going to help people. Help solve their problems and they'll stick around and they'll trust you, right? So then it's all just about scaling and then, increasing what it is that you're doing. And if you want it more, you want to increase your income, well, you just keep increasing what you're doing. More products in that, right? So if you found value in this, if you found this helpful at all, and you want to really learn more about monetizing your skills, making a profit with your passions, turning your passions into profits, well, down below in the description, I've got a link to my marketing bundle. Check out my marketing bundle and you will be able to learn, and the marketing bundle will help you with creating digital products, really walk you through this process on creating digital, using social media, using AI, giving you the calendar, everything that you need, or the planner, giving you everything that you need to start creating low ticket digital products to create that income. And as well, make sure that you smash that like button, drop me a comment down below and let me know where you're watching from here as well, right? And then make sure you subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this. And I've got another video right about here that I believe YouTube's recommending here for you, saying, hey, check this one out. And we will see you over there. Bye for now. What up?